In this video, I'm going to be creating my own parts list. So out of the box, the default template comes with a storm and a sanitary parts list, but maybe I want to create one for gas or something like that. So I'm going to come over here to settings, and I'm going to come up to our pipe network, and you can see parts lists here. So I'm going to right click on parts list. I'm going to create a new parts list. All right, so I'm going to go to the information tab, and I'm going to call this one gas, for instance. Now I'm going to go to pipes, and you can see it says new parts list. We're going to right click and we're going to go add a part family. And so I can specify the types of pipes, and these are all in the part or the pipe catalog. So I might actually say, oh, this is PVC or this is ductile iron. So I'm going to go say ductile iron here. And so now I'll expand that out. So now I can see the ductile iron. I right click now and I go edit part size. All right, so the part size comes up and you can see this is all built into the part builder. So I've got inner pipe diameter and I can go in there and I can pick whichever one I wanted. But I can also put a checkbox here and it'll create every single one. Then I have a material here. I can either grab from the drop down list or I could type in whatever I want. So I want the material to say DI, ductile iron. And I'll just go OK here. And now I've just created all of those different pipe parts. Now I've just created all those different sizes. Then you have your style. How do you want these to look? You can click up here and set them all at one time. So I'm going to say this is maybe it's a single line storm, I'll say, but I might have one for gas. And then we can set rules in here, render materials, and pay items. Okay, I'm not going to do any of that right now. Let's go to the structures. Okay, same thing. There's already a structure in here called null structure. Typically, a null structure is just like two pipes joining together. I don't have a manhole there. I don't have valve or anything like that. So I'm going to set that to say null, so I don't want it to show up. Then I'll right click on parts list, add a part family, and same thing. You can go in and you can find the part that you might want. Oh, I can go an eccentric cylinder structure, something like that. I go OK. We're going to right click again and go add a part size. And same thing, we can go in here. There's your inner structure diameter. I can put a checkbox there saying give me a 48, a 60, 72, and a 96. I wouldn't check all of these boxes because you'll get every combination of these. So you get a lot of them. I'm just going to check that one. I go OK. We'll expand that out so now we can actually see what we have. Now these, you can edit these. So I could double click in here, 48-inch manhole. Okay, so I could type that in. I can change the style here. So we'll go storm sewer style. Once again, we can also do rules, rendering, pay item, structures. But I can keep adding more. I could have absolutely clicked on multiple of these and added those in at one time, but we're not going to do that in this case. I'm just going to go OK. And now I can see I've got a gas parts list now that I could use for later. And this concludes this short video on creating a pipe network parts list.